Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. What are we doing today, guys? Homemade celery juice without a juicer. Let's get it now. Alright guys, we are making homemade celery juice without a juicer. You heard that correct, without a juicer. There's two ways that I make it. The first way is going to be by use of this fine mesh strainer. Okay, keyword is going to be fine mesh and a bowl. But today I'm going to be making it with this nut milk bag. Simple, easy, and that's it. In my other videos, I just made homemade beet juice and I just made homemade almond milk. Go ahead and check those out. For now, I have a regular blender, guys. It's not high speed, it's just basic 600 watt. I got about 3 cups of celery cut up, all right? I'm gonna fill it to about 3/4 of the way full. You can go ahead and add in any type of additional foods, guys, or spices, okay? I'm gonna do a little bit of this sea salt, okay? And that is it. No more, no less. 3 minutes, then you're done. Alright guys, that's about 3 minutes. So, you can get these nut milk bags in packs of 3 or individual. I have a few more behind me. I just made the almond milk in this one. I'm going to go ahead and use it again. So go ahead and take this off. Put that aside. Pour it into the nut milk bag, just like so. Set that aside. Pick it up by the string, and you're going to already see that it is, look at that, just coming right through that nut milk bag, guys. All the pulp, okay, is inside the bag. It's going to be nice and thin, fresh, and just tasty. So go ahead and pull the drawstring like that, close up the top, and just press it down like so, and twist as you do it. That's it. That's how I did the beet juice, and that's exactly how I did the almond milk, guys. Just like this. Again, you can add in additional ingredients, like a little bit of cayenne pepper if you want to give it some heat. Whatever you like, okay? Go ahead and see if you can get all that squeezed out as much as you can, guys. Okay? Set that aside. Wipe my hands a little bit. Okay? Clean it up. Get your favorite jar, okay? Ball jar funnel increases the circumference, okay, as you're pouring stuff into the jar so you don't make a mess, all right? Just like that. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Nice, nice and vibrant green. Beautiful. I'll take. Now this is just celery juice. That is it, guys. That is crazy good. I am going to add a little bit of heat. I'm going to put in a little bit of cayenne pepper in there, just like so. And just a tad of the Redmond sea salt. I think that's going to be it on that note. All right, guys? Put your top on. Stick it in the refrigerator. You drink it throughout the day, in the morning, at night. You are good to go. My name is Joseph. Thanks for watching. Have a sweet day. Be well. Be safe. Most of all, guys, be yourself. Thanks for watching.